Hello everyone and welcome to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I've got this lovely late 2019, early 2020 Volkswagen Polo to be showing you around. This model is the SE and it does have a few extras on which I'll show you now. It's part of our approved use scheme, which means you get 2 years warranty, 2 years servicing, 142 point check and much more. The 2 year servicing is if you take this car out on PCP finance with us. If you do want to take it out on hire purchase, the 2 year service plan will be just £49, so it saves you over £400, which is great. And the approved use scheme in total is over £2,000 worth of benefits. You also get 2 years roadside assistance with this car, so really great peace of mind there. The two extras on this vehicle is the paintwork, which is deep black pearlescent paint, which is really lovely. It's hard to see it properly on camera or in pictures, but it is a pearlescent paint, but when the sun shines it does look amazing. It's also got the option of front and rear parking sensors, so that's really great. It's a compact car anyway, but having the sensors just really helps in them tight spaces. Maybe you're new to driving, so that would help a lot as well. So I'll take you inside the car. Got pretty much everything you could want. Air conditioning, which I've made full use of, really nice and cool in here. Semi-digital dash, so you can see it's done 20,928 at 26 miles, which isn't much at all. I'll turn it off, that's fine. You've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is really good, really nice to have. Aircon, 2 USB ports, 5-speed manual gearbox, really smooth on this car, really nice to have. Manual handbrake, wrapped in leather, got holders. We will give it a full valet for you as well before you do take the car. This one's also got the floor mats in it, so that's really nice, the factory floor mats with the Polo on. So that saves you £100 or so from getting them extra. You've got sunglasses holder as well. Really nice. You've got 3 seats in the back. If you've got an up or something like that, you'll know it only has 2, so having 3 is really good. Similar size to a Golf now. You've got ISOFIX points there and there, so that's great to have. If you've got kids, obviously really nice safety feature there as well. So it's a lovely car. You've also got speed limiter and cruise control there. Auto lights. Pretty much everything you could want on a little car like this. And of course you're getting a near new condition in a way. You will have the odd wear